We know that many low-income populations don't have adequate access to food. And we also know that healthy foods are critical for maintaining health, both for preventing chronic disease like obesity and diabetes and other metabolic diseases, but also once you have those diseases, for treating them. You have to have access to fruits and vegetables and whole grains and other healthy foods, but these foods tend to be more expensive.
This is food that our clients could never afford. They didn't have access to fresh, healthy food. I think there's a lot of information, research out there about you can't eat well on a low-income budget. It's just difficult, and here's an opportunity to provide that food.
There are literally thousands of folks in our community that can get better control of those conditions if they have access to the right food to help them. Food is health for many, many people with chronic diseases.
People that don't have a lot of money, you are trying to make a diet out of things that are really necessary, which is, proteins and fresh fruits and vegetables, which seem to be some of the highest, costs in maintaining a diet.
And when we have resources in the community that can help link patients to the appropriate foods, it makes it that much easier for them to make healthy behavior changes.
We were really fortunate to get some good produce, fantastic meat, things that were appropriate, that weren't laden with a lot of fat or that type of content.
People in food insecure households are much less likely to be able to take their medications regularly. And there are a number of coping strategies that people use. They might take half a pill instead of a whole pill. They might take their pills for 3 weeks of the month, but then not be able to afford their refills for another week. Or some people actually feel very strongly that they need to take their medications, but to do that they have to stop affording food.
Food is health. And to me, we have a tremendous opportunity because of the shift in the food that we're now distributing to moving to fresh food, that we have an opportunity to have this huge impact on the folks that we serve. So we've got to get more connected.
A wonderful opportunity to help our neighbors who are food insecure, who could be hungry, is to donate to Operation Feed, where 100% of your donation will provide access to healthy, good, fresh food for our community.